That's right. SSR come in for a quick tire inner tube exchange. Let's get this thing back going. Bing, bing, bing. Common thing, breaking off the stems from the inner tube. That's riding on low pressure and the tire is spinning inside the rim. Let's get a new one going.
Ready to go.
Tires on. Time for a quick cleanup wash. You know how we do it. No bad juju around here.
Way to go in first gear. Way to get. Calm down. It won't be so jumpy. Go straight.
First time on a dirt bike. Not gonna be the last. Let's get it, J-Day. Boy, getting it.
You better use that clutch.
Yeah.
When you downshift, like it's gonna lock, it's gonna slam you. Clutch in. Get his ass.
Wait, find somebody to ride with?